Is the Pramerica Life Magnum Assure Plan the smart route to financial security or just another overhyped promise? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you get to plan for your medium and long-term goals with flexible policy terms of 10 or 15 years, and you get to enjoy a guaranteed monthly income for a duration equal to the chosen payout period. You also receive more than what you invest, which is a multiple of the total premiums paid, will be offered as guaranteed monthly income after the policy term, and you get to ensure financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your unfortunate demise during the policy term. You also benefit from the flexibility to avail a loan against your policy when needed. So there are tax benefits which may be available on both premiums paid and benefits received as per the prevailing tax law. So these are some of the key features of the policy. And there are benefits like death benefit and maturity benefit. So some of the advantages of investing in this policy is you get to avail a loan of up to 80% of the surrender value. All benefits under this plan are guaranteed. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages, such as the income benefit is often used for discretionary or non-essential expenses. So the life cover does not continue during the income payout period, and the returns are relatively low compared to other investment options. So the sum assured is insufficient to meet your family's long-term financial needs. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about it, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. But if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure as well. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 30-year-old male has purchased the plan with a base sum assured of 20 lakhs, paying an annual premium of 1 lakh for a 10-year premium payment term and a 10-year policy term. The monthly income starts after the policy term ends. In this example, the investor receives a monthly income equal to 1.6 times the annual premium divided by 12, which works out to be 13,333 rupees per month. The IRR for this cash flow is approximately 4.3% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So considering the long investment horizon, the returns are relatively low and the accumulated corpus fails to deliver meaningful income. Hence, the plan does not serve as a suitable investment choice for your portfolio. Now that we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to separately invest in insurance and investment instead of combining it like Pramerica policy, just to see whether that can give us efficient results. So here, for life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy offering a sum assured of 20 lakh, which would cost about 4,300 rupees per year for a 10-year premium paying and policy term. The remaining 95,700 rupees from the original 1 lakh annual outlay can be invested based on your risk profile. The accumulated corpus from this investment can then be used to generate monthly withdrawals similar to the Magnum plans. So if the 95,700 rupees is invested in equity mutual fund, the corpus grows to 18.80 lakhs over 10 years. Accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax value stands at 17.81 lakhs. If you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So if this amount is then reinvested in an instrument yielding 7%, it can provide monthly withdrawals for another 10 years. So by the end of 20 years, the remaining investment value after withdrawals is 14.53 lakhs, which can be fully withdrawn, a feature which is not available in the Pramerica policy. So the IRR for this cash flow is 11.58%, significantly higher than the previous plan's 4.3%. So this comparison clearly shows that a combination of term insurance and mutual fund investment provides better returns, flexibility, and inflation adjusted income. Hence, the Pramerica policy is not an ideal investment choice choice for achieving long-term financial goals. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Pramerica Life Magnum Assure plan worth it or not? So this policy is designed to provide a regular monthly income as a maturity benefit to help meet your financial needs. However, this income begins only after completing the policy term, making it a long-term commitment. The income payout period is equal to the premium paying term, and notably, life cover does not continue during this payout phase. From a returns perspective, the plan's long-term structure results in a relatively low returns. Moreover, the income benefit cannot be deferred or accumulated for a lump sum payout, which limits flexibility. The combination of low returns and poor liquidity makes this policy an unsuitable choice for your investment portfolio, and it also has a high agent commission. For regular income needs, it's wiser to build a corpus through investments aligned with your risk tolerance. This approach provides better liquidity, higher potential returns, and allows you to maintain adequate life coverage to protect your family.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.